how to customize your font on Roblox Mobile. So if you want to customize your font on Roblox Mobile, then what you need to do is first, let me tell you that Roblox doesn't support altering in-game font system wide. Some third-party applications or solutions enable custom font effects for certain user interface elements or games. So you got to simply head over to the settings option. And from your settings, you need to just simply go with search and search for fonts. So tap on font. You can go with your system fonts, or you can also go with the font application as well, and then just go and select a font, any font that you're comfortable with, and then add that font to your device. Now, once you've added that font to your device, your fonts will be changed. But if that doesn't work, then you can just simply go back and then open up your Play Store or your App Store and search for fonts. And then you can go and install the application and then add your favorite font or your preferred font. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.